It's time to fit a new Ducktail spoiler to this brand new 992.2 Targa. Let's get the Ducktail on and make it look aggressive. Installation complete, and this is the first one, or first fitting we've done in our second unit, which is very exciting. So this is the first 0.2 Targa we've also installed as well. Looks amazing. I hope you guys at home will agree. Although this looks lovely and shiny, it's quite dirty, the rest of the car, because it's the time of year. So excuse a little bit of grub around the rest of the car. We didn't want to give it a full wash just to fit this part on because of time constraints, but looks amazing, fits fantastically as well. The colour match will be really nice when the rest of the paint is nice and clean, but as a whole it looks fantastic. Very OEM looking, and that's what we're trying to achieve here with this particular Ducktail. So really cool bit of kit. I've always liked the GTSs. I've been told, although I've not driven it, it's an absolute monster. So although it's done 800 miles, I'm sure hopefully the owner is going to have a good drive in it soon once it's broken in through that 1,000-mile mark. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. For any inquiries for any Ducktails for any vehicles, Porsche-wise, we do have quite a few offerings now. So thank you very much again, and I'll let this customer get on the way and enjoy the rest of the rainy weather outside. See you soon.